Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to use the iOS 16 lock screen. So I'm going to go to the lock screen right now, and the first thing is long press on the empty space. So I'll do that one more time, boom, and you'll be brought to this view. Now this view is very similar to customizing the lock screen on the Apple Watch, and so what we're going to do is we're going to slide over from right to left until we have the add new area. We'll tap on the plus, and now you can customize your lock screen wallpaper. So there's some featured ones here. You can go and pull one from the Photos app. So I'm just going to scroll down here, just choose this one. And now from here, depending on the wallpaper, you'll have a bunch of customization or a little amount. So on this one, I can only customize the time. On other ones, you can customize the date and add some widgets below. So let me just try a different one. So we'll go here, and you can see, you can customize the date, and there's a widget area below. So let's tap on the plus, and you can add the widgets you would like. So what you do, drag, drop, boom, and just do this a bunch of times. So there we go. Okay, I've added the full widgets. Of course, you can scroll around here, and let's say I want to customize the time. I'll tap on this, use the customization available, maybe change the color. I think Y looks best, and then I'll go to the date here, and I'm going to add a clock widget, boom, and once you've done everything, just tap on done, tap on the lock screen, and just like that, the lock screen will be selected. So you can long press here, slide across, and you can see all the lock screens you've created, and switch between them. Now what if you want to switch the lock screen depending on the time of day? We'll go to settings, focus, and then just select the focus mode that you use. So let's say when you're gaming, you want this wallpaper, etc. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do gaming here. Once the gaming focus is on, I'm going to find here, customize lock screens, choose, I'm going to select that lock screen. In fact, I'm going to go down here to my lock screens, I'm going to select this one, done, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the lock screen, I'm going to change it to, let's say, this one. And so now when I turn on the gaming focus mode, it's going to change the lock screen. So if I slide up, long press, and I go to gaming, you can see now the lock screen wallpaper has been changed. And it will also change the home screen as well. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.